In this video, we will cover the WIP move function in Axacute. WIP move allows you to move the job from one operation to the next without recording labor and machine hour. To perform a WIP move at the home page, click on the WIP button. Select WIP move. At the WIP move page, select the warehouse for the job order. Use your mobile device to scan the employee barcode label to input the employee ID. Then, scan the information on the job sheet to input the job order, suffix, and operation number. Enter the quantity completed from this operation and the quantity to move to the next operation. If there is any scrap produced in this operation, you can enter the quantity and specify a reason code for the scrap. You can also specify multiple reason codes for the scrap. Click on the Process button to proceed. If the transaction is successful, a success message will be prompted. Thank you for watching this video.